Hi everyone, Damien O'Shannessy, Bendigo Real Estate. Today we're here at 93 Sawmill Road in Huntly. Approximately 2,500 square metres, one title, zoned residential, subdividable, subject to council approval. That's a lot just there. Currently being used for mechanical services and a building business. We have approximately 450 square metres of shedding. That's right, 450 square metres. Plus we've got a lovely 3-bedroom home that is in quite fair condition, split system heating and cooling and an in-ground pool. If you need some space, some shedding and you're looking to make a quid, give me a call. Damien O'Shannessy, Bendigo Real Estate.